Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to recover a corrupt MP4 file within a few minutes. Here I have two video files. One of them is corrupted, and if I open it, you can see that it plays nothing. I have also kept another good video file to use as a reference later. Suppose I want to recover this bad video file. For this, we will use an external app. Open your Google Chrome web browser. In the address bar, paste the GitHub link that is given in the description. From here, click on Untrunc 64 and download the zip file. Let's go to the save location. Now, right-click on the zip file and extract it normally. After extracting, open the folder. Double-click on the Untrunc GUI file. This will open a window. Now, click on the reference file and select the good video file. Next, click on Truncated File and select the corrupted file. After you have selected both of them, click on Repair. According to your file size, it will take a few moments to repair your video. Here, you can see that our video has been repaired. Let's close this window and open the repaired video. Here, you can see that the video plays perfectly. There are a lot of other tools available to repair a corrupted video. I will attach a page link in the description where you can find a list of other repair tools if this doesn't work. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides, and if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.